Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the 4 time frame indicator for MT4. This tool is designed to display market information from several time frames in a single MT4 chart, helping you see broader context without constantly switching between windows. In this video, you will see how the multi-time frame display appears on the chart, how it updates as price moves, and which key settings you can configure. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, you want to allow DLL imports, and just like that, we have it installed on the charts in a separate window. The 4 time frame indicator typically appears as a compact panel or visual block that summarizes conditions from several chosen time frames while you watch a single active chart. As you can see here, the green color basically indicates bullish momentum for the 4 time frames we have selected. So you can basically have a summary of the time frames based on the colors here. You can see our pink color here, which indicates bearish momentum. And when you have it aligned, you can see that on the 4 time frames, the bearish momentum is prevalent. You will see the panel refresh as new candles form, with values or directional cues changing to reflect how higher and lower time frames are behaving relative to current price action. This layout implies when multiple time frames are aligned or out of sync, giving a quick visual sense of whether the short-term picture agrees with the broader background trend or momentum. As for indicator settings, let's take a look. Time frame selection inputs lets you choose which specific chart intervals are monitored, such as combining intraday and higher time frames in one overview. Additional parameters control what underlying data or indicator logic is read from each time frame, depending on how the tool is coded to summarize trend or signal conditions. Visual options allow you to adjust the size, placement, colors, and labels of the display panel so it integrates cleanly with your existing MT4 chart layouts. The 4 time frame indicator is suited to traders who rely on multi-time frame analysis but want to keep their workflow organized around a single main chart. It is a visual decision support tool only, does not execute trades, and because it condenses several time frames into one place, traders still need to avoid information overload and apply their own judgments when interpreting the summarized view. You can download the 4 time frame indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It offers a streamlined way to monitor higher and lower time frame conditions without constant chart switching. If you like tools that bring multi-time frame context into a single window, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.